Hi friends, today we'll discuss about what is debt and what is equity, what is difference between debt and equity. What is debt? Borrowed amount used in business for the purpose of expansion meeting short-term operating expenses. So any organization, it may be company or it may be organization, they borrow money from outside to expand the business or to meet the short-term operative expenses. So these are called debt. This debt can be taken from any financial institution or any bank. What is equity? The fund contributed by the promoters or the shareholders of the company by which the business was first started. So equity is, this is contributed by the promoters who promote the company and the shareholders. With this equity, business was started initially, first started. Difference between debt versus equity. Debt versus equity. If you take debt or equity, both are appear in the liability side of the balance sheet. Equity is related to the owners of the company. If it is equity, if you have invested in equity, you are the owner of the company. Debt is related to the lender of the company. Means debt means you have taken money from the financial institution, bank as a loan. This will be related to lender. Equity related to company owners. Any point of time, so you have taken debt through loan or anything from the financial institution or bank, debt can be repaid and make it zero. So after 1 year, 2 years or 3 years, you can repay the debt and you can make it zero. Equity can never be zero unless the company goes for the liquidation. So equity can never be zero because once company is closed, then only amount will be, final settlement will be given to the equity shareholders. Otherwise, it will not become zero. Once the company is closed, then only equity will become zero. Debt can be repaid and closed maybe 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Priority. If any payment, first priority will be debt, loan providers. So first any amount comes, it may be the closure or it may be the liquidation. So first amount will be paid to debt, loan providers. So final will be equity holder. After all the dues are paid, then amount will be paid to the equity shareholders. Payment. Debt. So debt means loan taken from the financial institution and bank. So will pay the interest. Company will pay the interest to the bank. Equity. So if you are invested in equity, you are the owner of the company, you can get dividend, you can get bonus, you can get the split, you can get the rights of the shares also. Debt can be funded by loans or debentures. So how to fill the debt? You want a debt, you can take it as a loan or debenture from any financial institution or bank. From financial institution or bank. Pre-decided interest rate. So when you take in a debt, the date of the loan, interest rate will be fixed. So company should pay interest on particular intervals. It may be monthly, quarterly, half yearly, yearly. That interest rate will be fixed. This interest should be paid to the banks or organizations monthly, quarterly, depend on the terms and conditions. Equity will be funded by shareholders or promoters. Sharing of profit. So this is not taken from any bank. Equity will be funded by the shareholders or promoters. So equity holders get the shares, sharing of the profits. Equity equal to owner's equity plus shareholders reserves. This is the equity. Debt. Interest is fixed and it is a mandatory. You have to pay monthly, quarterly or interest, and total amount should be repaid after 5 years or 10 years. So you have a tax benefit also. Equity dividend is variable, it is not mandatory. 1 year you may get dividend, next year you may not get, and 1 year you'll get a lower, second year you'll get a more. It is optional and no tax benefit. So whatever the dividend you are getting, it is taxable. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends also.